的先偷偷来偷师一下。你俩这是机场台上边上的观众来了吧？那我们请我们的舞蹈机器人帮我们做一个暖场表演，好不好？
Hello guys, this is Rachel from Xinhua. Today we are going to take a tour into future industry in the ongoing 8th China International Import Expo here in Shanghai. Today we are going to the intelligent industry and IT section of the CIE, where you get to see AI and also robots and how they are shifting our future industry and changing not just only for China but also for the rest of the world. Today you are going to see a lot of robot and AI driven technology. So stay tuned and let me show you what's future in hand. Hello, Kai Yuan.
Hi, nice to meet you.
Guys, here is very interesting in the scene. You can see a lot of robots already there. You see one of them is actually ready to go. Let's see what this robot can do. It's called Aeon, right?
It's called Eon, and currently we are showing an industrial scene how our humanoid robot Eon can do in a factory. So as you can see, currently Eon is in a standby position.
Oh,
and
he's ready to go,
run
guys.
A scanning program for him.
Oh, let's see.
You see, Eon is on a two-legged and wheeled movement stand-up, and it needs particular positions for it to stand up because due to the wheels transformations.
So he need to get a booster for the app.
Yes, and need to stand up in a certain angle, otherwise its body will tear over on the other side.
What's him doing now?
Currently is holding our AS1XL laser scanner, and by combination with the laser tracker, we can have Eon to do a full white car body scanning.
He's doing scanning as we're speaking.
Yes, scanning of the white car body. In the car manufacturing regions, we are required to have the car body to be fully inspected before we sell it to the customers. So that means each white car body needs to have inspection like this. And but how do we do it automatically? How do we do it in a faster way? So that requires our humanoid robots as an automation solution to assist our customer to do that.
It's really difficult for human eyes to see the defaults on the white car body, right?
Of course, and before we're using our laser scanners and do that, but it says human holding the machine to do that. But all the defect will be calculated automatically by our hexagon solutions and softwares. But the reason we choose Eon is you see Eon as a human form. Once many factories are currently built for humans, so that means they require somebody like the human size to operate the system. And that's why
he's a little shorter than us, but he's pretty much like human size.
Yes, 165 centimeters in the height and 65 kilograms in the weight.
Yes. We see he has already done one tour, basically scanning the white car bodies there.
Yes, he has finished one scanning.
He already get some of the result of the manufacturing defaults. He already caught that.
Yes.
And he's back to the possession one, right?
Yes, currently that's one run. But besides this solution we're showing, we have another automation solution.
Are they the same?
The two robots are the same, but the solution is kind of different. We're showing a automation solution for white car body scanning, and this other one is called the Teleoperations.
How are they doing operations?
So as you can see, our engineer is wearing a VR goggle, and
he's there.
Yes, within the VR goggle, we can have the robot seeing what our engineer's hand is doing.
He's mimicking.
Yes, they're mimicking what our engineer is doing in the hand, and they are supposed to do exactly the same thing. The reason we have this, the reason
we make this harder for him to study.
Of course, this is meant to have the Eon in the future to operate objects and manipulate things, moving parts from here to there, or pick up the correct parts in the factory.
He's doing the sum up.
Yes, he's doing the sum ups. Yes.
Oh, that's very meticulous. Like the mimic of the body.
Exactly. Yes. Yang, you see, you have two cameras on the cheek, right? On the bottom of the cheek.
Right.
It's seeing the movement of the hand.
Look. That's how he's able to do that.
That's how it's
green one, it's the blue one, right?
No, it's the two circling on the cheeks.
Ah, those two circling
Yes,
on
those
the
two
cheeks.
circles, yes.
On the under cheeks.
Yes.
He's seeing everything.
Yes.
So basically, he's seeing everything like what our engineering is doing and try to mimic it for himself.
Yes, that's we call that a advanced learning.
So every single time he's doing a new position, basically this is another learning process because it's not pre-calculated. It's not pre-put into it.
It's not pre-put. It's live. So that's what our engineering is doing. They're doing it exactly at the same time.
It's doing live, like what we are doing now.
Yes.
So give him any kind of like new postures. This is a new one because human hands are really, really delicate.
Yes.
Even though it looks the same, like some map, it's a little bit different. So this is what for the robot to learn the nuance of the difference.
Yes.
It's really interesting.
Right. That's our new released humanoid robot Eon in the.
I see a lot of people are coming to check out what he can do.
Exactly. It's because we had a release this year. Actually,
it's a new debut.
Yes, it's a new debut. We're releasing the environment and releasing for the for the industrial environment where Eon is meant to be built for. And
what can he do other than like industrial use?
Currently, no. We're forcing Eon to be industrial focused.
Making him working.
Yeah, there's a reason for that. Currently, we see many humanoid robots, especially here in China. Like for example, our competitors Unitrees and others, right? But
service.
Yes, they are most of the current robots is for service uses, for entertainment.
Cleaning your,
entertainment.
dishes.
Yeah, no, well, kind of like that. But in industrial use, it's kind of different. First of all, industrial will require a heavier lifting weight, and our Eon can have like 25 pounds of both hands.
Heavy lifter.
Heavy lifter, yes. We can lift 25 pounds, and it also can move very fast using its wheels on the foot. It can move 4 times faster than our regular engineer in the factory. And in the future, we also have Eon to be capable of doing more various of automation solutions. Besides what we're showing here with the AS1XL, we can have Eon to hold many different types of sensors. Besides scanning of the other structures, we can also have him to see surface defects, seeing other necessary inspections in the future.
Yeah, we can see him doing a lot of very delicate works already, and with the legs he moves really fast. Basically means a lot of jobs in the factory where human beings don't feel happy or don't feel like necessary to do, or like a bit dangerous to do.
Or something that is less important. We would like to have our chief engineers to be sitting in the office and manipulating for the entire factory instead of stuck in one machine, right? So it's a waste of his talent.
That is really future industry for you.
Yes, so that's why we would like Eon to do the basic works, for example, using a sensor, or maybe like carrying stuffs. So where our engineers is able to be doing something more important. Yes.
We see like Hexagon is bringing like new debuts year after year, right?
Yes. Yes, so ever since the year 2023, when we first time released for a medical devices. It's called the endoscope. That's in the year of 2023. And in 2024, we released another product. It's the surface inspection machine called Helmi, and currently changed the name to be Deflecto. It's specially designed for a reflective surface, or for anything that is flattened, and so that means
able to see the like little defaults.
Like maybe, for example, scratches or holes or mispainted parts. That's last year, and this year, of course, Eon.
Yeah,
Eon is here. Yes, Eon is here to be showing the Hexagon. We're taking the next step to the fully automated factory, and in the future.
We know Hexagon is doing a lot of like R&D here locally as well, like because the company's like confidence is boosted by chances such as CIE, right?
Yes. As a joint venture company, Hexagon has joint ventured by Sweden and China, and But in China, our headquarters in Qingdao and our 5 offices across China, we both have R&D teams here to make a better products for our local factories and the local companies. And also, as a CIE, we're talking about importing, right? So Hexagon is not only importing products, we're also importing technologies in here.
Yeah, you are cooperating with the chain of China, and it's really interesting to see what's future have to hold for the industrial. Guys, stay tuned. We're taking you a lot more interesting even later. Thank you, Taiyuan.
Okay.
Thank you.
请你们站到舞台中间，好，站到舞台中间。我们一回合3分钟的时间，话不多说，3、2、1，开始。简单介绍一下我们的比分规则。我们的手部有效击打得1分，腿部有效击打得2分。我们整场比赛采用的是加分制的形式。那如果说在10秒内倒地没有办法举身的话，前面的加分全部都不算数，就。
So we're seeing those 2 robots already fighting. One of them is in orange and the other is in green, and the way they are calculating those scores is like how they got scored from their hand and also from their legs. And one of them, if they get KO'd and knocked down, a clear winner is a must. You can see him doing a fight and a kick, you see? A kick and a miss. Oh, one in the hand. This is not pre-rehearsed, guys. Again, this is one of the really interesting places in the ongoing China International Import Expo where humanoid robots is actually doing fights and doing combat shows for you. Right now, the robots are trying to find their position and find each other and try to trick each other onto the ground. A kick and a miss. Wow. Close mix. For you guys who are not so familiar with robot fights, robot fights are not just here to show you what they can do as an entertainment. The more interesting thing is you get a closer look at how sophisticated and delicate they can be by doing the fight. They have to calculate live to see and anticipate what the other robot will do. And you also get to see how steady they are on the legs. Even when they are doing a kick, they're trying to stay on the balance. This is to show you how robot is actually moving into the future into a more humanoid way. This is one of the really heated places in the Import Expo. You can see a lot of turnout. So every single day they are hosting 3, or 4 rounds of combat, showing you how humanoids are doing and how they can do with a closer look and first-hand experience for the audience from all over the world. For those robots, when they are not in the rain tracks, wow, end of the game.
好，请小绿和小菊来到我们的舞台中间，我们准备宣布结果。
They are trying to show you which one is the winner. Wow, they are not giving it up. They are feisty. You can see the winner. He enjoys the applause.
那看你能不能笑到最后呢？
For us to see those humanoid doing comeback, that is not just for entertainment. Actually, this is one of the ways of the CIE. In just now, we see some very interesting thing of robots doing comeback and fights. But robots are not just here for your entertainment to see what they can do. It's always applied in the industry and closely linked into China's industrial and the world industry. In this year's CIE, a lot of companies are taking their robots and AI-driven technology here into China International Import Expo here in Shanghai. A lot of them are new debuts. They are giving you immersive experience to show how future industry is becoming with the AI-driven technology and also the help of robots. Actually, for those of you guys who are not familiar with robot density, Shanghai is one of the cities to have its robot density into statistics. And let's now see what AI and the robots can do here in Siemens. Hello, Yuxiao.
Hello, Rachel.
Hello. Guys, this is very interesting, and it says AI. They are doing a little bit fight, but differently. Just now we see the robots doing combat, and this time they are doing another combat, yet with their brain. This literally says brain in Chinese. Yixiao, can you tell us what they are doing now?
Yes, so we are using AI to resolve humanoid tower puzzle. The rule of humanoid tower puzzle is first, you can only move one disk at a time. Second, a larger disk can never be placed on top of a smaller one.
This is not okay.
This is wrong move. So we will bring multiple AIs to compete head-to-head to resolve humanoid tower puzzle as quickly and accurately as possible.
This is a puzzle for the kids, so the robots are like kids. They are trying to solve those puzzles.
Yes.
Parents are saying they are good for your brain, so now you are saying good for your brain.
Yeah. But the thing is, AI make mistakes. So this where workflow canvas and the mirrors comes in. We will translate the AI solution into robot language. Then we will run the full verification in mirrors. Only if everything runs okay, we will deliver the instruction to the real robot and solve the humanoid puzzle.
Can we let them start?
Okay.
Okay, we start the test. I can see like this one literally says in Chinese, it's doing a virtual like experiment to see whether it's doing A-OK. They are getting a clearance, and that one is in sync. We can see Yuxiao trying to get the robots going.
So I first tell the robot which the disk is and which AI we want to use. We have several AI.
We have several different algorithms. Yuxiao is choosing, they have 1, 2, 3, 4, A, B, C, D different ones. They can choose from different algorithms, but they are getting the different results. And this is why they are competing. They are not competing as a robot, they are competing like whether that algorithm works.
Yeah, then
you can see it's generating, right?
Yes.
They are doing this math. That's solving math problem.
The AI is thinking.
He's thinking, how are you going to solve this from disk 1 to 2, and those little disks from A, B, C, D, how they are doing. They are in Chinese, but guys, it's really fast. It's like you are using ChatGPT to generate some kind of the answers.
Yes.
So before the robot do their jobs, they are doing the thinking first.
Yes.
It's like the deep thinking mode of DeepSeek.
Yeah, it's actually include DeepSeek inside.
That's why it looks very familiar.
Yeah. So this AI give us the result.
How to do this? And now you are using verification
in mirrors.
In mirrors.
The virtual robot will move first.
Virtual robot. Now they are doing a virtual verification to see if this works. And after they feel like this is A-OK, the real robot will start doing the work, right?
Yes.
That's a lot of steps like to solving these really complicated problems.
Yes, but we are the industrial world the enterprise really need AI to help them to improve their efficiency. But we also need the AI are truly trustable. So the verification is
very important because
Yes.
like in the industrial world, the humanoid problem you are solving, sometimes they are really huge.
Yes, yes,
and
yes.
very heavy. If you got this wrong, it could trigger into some serious problems. So they have to do this virtual verification beforehand.
yes, yes.
Oh, guys, they are getting, that's right?
Yeah, that's right. So
They are getting it right.
then move to this. I will
Now
execute.
you see Yuxiao saying execute. Yuxiao is giving clearance for this robot to doing it. It's exactly the same as what it's doing before in the screen, right?
Yes, yes.
Now they are doing this in the real world, like how this is doing. This is something like what they do in real factories.
Yes, yes. So workflow canvas translate the AI's language, natural language to robot language, and mirror words to verify the process. And Siemens provide the entire system platform to help industrial to achieve real AI implementation.
So they really understand what they are doing here and how to get the right answers. And even when they are not,
Yes.
they can correct themselves because in the virtual steps, they already have that and they know if they get A-OK or not.
Yes, yes, yes. So
Very
the
close
last step-
to 100. Very close, very interesting. And we also can see that you guys are giving him a grade, right?
Yes, and we have a ranking list here. It will
Ah.
tell us which AI model is better.
Which algorithm is better? They actually have a fight in the brain. They are trying to test like A, B, C, D, which one
Yeah.
of the AI algorithm is smarter. And after running like 10,000 tests, there will be a clear winner, like doing the quicker, always got it right, most accuracy and
Yes,
faster.
yes,
and
yes.
now you have a winner. So this is how you actually get to train those robots.
Yes.
Train this AI-driven
Yeah, correct.
algorithm. This is really, really interesting. Thank you so much, Yuxiao, for this interesting like AI industrial like workflow canvas. Like this is called a Moeverse, right? AI test base across all industrial. And let's talk to Dr. Zhou here into like future of the industry for a little bit more interested in the practical like industrial wise. Hello, Dr. Chen. Hello.
Morning. Hi, Miss.
Morning. Let's see. What are those robots doing? Can we make them move?
Yes. So just what you saw is actually really amazing AI applications for the coming future. And now what we're showing to you is actually how we Siemens apply the robots, the simulation, and AI in a real industry use case.
This is like a huge robot hand, which is similar to what we see in a lot of NEV factories.
Yes, correctly. So this machine actually mainly used for the assembly and testing of the device. That device is namely the mechanical braking system, and is next generation braking system for the new energy industry.
It's like a lot of in a lot of like car factories. It's huge and it has to do something very, very accurate and really, really fast.
Yes, correctly. And it was actually developed by our partner, CASMT, and they produced this complex machine just in 2 months with our Siemens existing
see this
hardware,
robot.
software,
You
and
can
AI.
see it moving.
Yes, correctly.
See?
And all this happened in just 2 months. It's a record speed. Yeah.
It's really fast, and as in the ways is how like as this industry is clicking with new technology, and it's really interesting how those. You can see the pallets moving as
They're
well.
moving, yes. So there are a lot of components, sensors, drives, motors, robots, and you can see here how we achieve it. Actually using our simulation software, NXMCD. The engineer of CASMT, he can effectively create the digital twin in the simulation world. And with it, he can intuitively optimize the design of the machine and make it perfect in design phase.
It's really interesting, like it has a lot of components and they are all doing thinking in their hand. Some of them doesn't look like they're robot as a humanoid, but they are robots, they are AI driven,
Yes.
they are smart.
This
they
is
just
for
don't look
industry.
really smart, but they are.
Thanks for it. Yes, and more than that, by doing so, the engineer can achieve, actually we name it, design and manufacture first time right. And this will reduce a lot of efforts, for example, a potential risk in the rework after manufacturing.
Right.
And besides this, one amazing or highlight we want to show is the use of industrial copilots. So with Siemens Industrial Copilots, the engineers, he just use natural language interaction, and the copilots can effectively support him to generate SCL codes for PLC to control the machine. And this,
Yeah, it's really interesting, you guys. And for those of you guys who do not understand the Chinese, this literally says NEV assembly line, and the one here says get it right in one
yes,
time.
right at first time.
Yeah, in industry, get it right in one time is really important in the accuracy. You don't for the robots, they don't have to be just not only to be smart, but also like really, really smart every single time.
Every single time is actually to make sure the delivery of this machine in time with good quality as well.
Yeah, this is what future industry having fought for you, and we are very happy to see like Siemens, like companies like Siemens are bringing all kind of new technology here into China and in China International Import Expo as well. And thank you, Dr. Chen. Thank you so much for today. And in just now in our live broadcast, we just show you very interesting future industry has to hold for China International Import Expo here ongoing in Shanghai. For those of you who do not understand, for the last 7 editions, China International Import Expo has been able to merge itself into the national level import scene. Very huge expo, and this is the 8th year, and it not only shows you what the companies from the global hold in the new products, but also new technologies. Thank you so much. This is Rachel from Shanghai showing you how future industry has to hold with AI-driven technology and the robots. Thank you, thank you.